Hello everyone, welcome back to Rebecca's corner. Say hi.
Hi.
So welcome back to my mommy's channel.
Welcome back to my mommy's channel.
Yeah, we'll go. See you later.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, so where was I? I'm looking for an angle that is bright. Okay, yeah. So guys, finally I'm going to buy my Buchymix blender. Yay! Who is excited with me? Thank you so much.
Me and
Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Thank you so much. Go, I'm coming.
Bye.
I've not finished now. Don't say bye yet. I've not finished. Go and wait for me.
No.
Go and wait for me. You don't know what I want to say. Wait for me. So guys, I will try and take you along as I go on this journey to my blender. I've been thinking about this blender for long. Like my blender got spoiled over 4 months ago now, and I don't want to buy anyhow blender again, and I've been hearing so much about Buchymix, so I decided to just be patient while I search for the phone. Yeah, I'm heading out now. Yes. And I'll see you later. Which recipe do you want me to prepare first with my blender? Let me know in the comment section and I'll do just that. We'll try it out together. Yes. So see you all later. Bye.
Bye.
So I bought my Samsung phone from Samsung A32. Discovery Mall there.
Okay, thanks.
What? Where are we going?
We are going inside this place.
What?
We are going to buy my Buchymix.
What?
Hold my hand. Wait, let's wait for daddy.
This is very cool.
And beautiful, right?
Yeah. This other selling. Other selling here.
Blender.
This other selling blender.
Good afternoon. Okay. Good afternoon. You have Buchymix blender. Where is it?
Wow.
Which one do you want? This one. The
manual, the digital.
The manual. I think this is the manual.
Yes. That's the manual.
How much is the digital? Where is the digital?
99,000. Let me go bring it.
What of this one? How much for this one?
94,000.
Okay.
94.
So happy to have a new blender.
Oh, I'm so happy to have a new blender.
Yes.
Yeah, so happy to have a new blender.
Yes. Guys, this is my new Buchymix blender. Yay. Wow. This is a automatic usage. So I'm going to unbox it now and see what's inside. Okay. This is the side. Another side. Another side. Another side. And the top. The manuals. Wow. The cover. Wow, this is good. This is good. Wow, it's very heavy. Wow, very heavy. So this is the one with gold blade. Wow. This is the one with gold blade. Ah, wow. This is quality now. Check it out. See, very sturdy, like very strong. This is quality and it's so big. It's very big. 8 cups maximum. 8 cups. Wow. That is 64 ounces. If I got that right, that is 2000 ml, the maximum content that you can fill it up with. Wow, this is so good. Okay, the guide is here. Fruit and vegetables less than 2000 ml, mashed potato and pumpkin less than 1000 ml, dry powder blending less than 800 ml. So if you want to blend dry things, it should not go beyond, at least to be safer, 750 ml. Then paste blending less than 500 ml. So if you want to blend something that is like paste, you should fill it up below 500 ml. So thank God. See the under now, see very strong, very durable. Like touching it alone, you know that this is good. This is good. This is for dry things. This is a good buy, you guys. I've not even tried it, but I know it's going to be wonderful because compared to the former blender I have, I don't want to bring out their name again. But I'm going to show you a video. If you want to buy blender, you have to look at the watt. This one is 2000 watts. Is it watt voltage? I'll call it now. I don't even know what to say. Like this. Yeah, this one. So guys, when you want to buy blender, you look out for this. Let me show you. This is the capacity of the blender. To show lies the strength of the blender. 2200 watts. Unlike the other one I bought, it was just 400 watts and it could not do anything. To even blend tomato was a problem. So just this is a good buy, this is a good investment, I must tell you. Better to buy once and for all than the one I bought that was 400 watts for 40k. It didn't even last. I could not blend more than twice before it broke down. It wasn't even coming up again at all. So this is it, and the next time I'm going to use it, because presently I don't even have anything at home to try it with. I just blended my masa rice this morning, commercial blender. That was what even led to us going to buy this. I was just complaining about having my own blender, which will make things easier for me. So when next I have something to blend, I'm going to show you guys how it works. So see you all very soon. Bye. Welcome to my blender world. Yay. Hi. So excited. Kitchen lovers, here we come. New recipes loading. Loading. Yeah.